Hey everybody, today I have a brand new 2021 Cadillac Escalade, and we're going to show you how to reset the oil light. So go ahead and step on the brake and push the start button and start it up. And after everything comes on, we are going to be using this center control panel here. So you see right here, there is a icon that's got a car and an eye. Go ahead and push that, and that's going to bring us down here. And right here you can see it says oil life left. So now just turn your knob and highlight that, then press down. And it's asking you right there if you want to reset. Hit reset. Are you sure you want to reset oil life? Press down on the button again and it will reset to 100%. And that's how easy it is. You're just going to use these controls here in the car information button. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You'd always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.